Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2017 Kawasaki KLR650 Dual Sport. This is the one you can take on those round the world trips. They can service the bike anywhere in the world practically. Beautiful condition, 21,000 miles with a ton of add-on accessories, Touratech smoke windscreen, and guard for the headlamp. It's got aux beam LED lights, Tusk hand guards, the KLR bag on the handlebars, heated electric grips, quick release Touratech rear luggage. It's got an awesome sounding Leo Vinch exhaust system, engine guards, rock guard for the lower. This thing is it's got all the goodies. It also has a custom seat. Come on by, get this fully decked out KLR for only $57.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, or at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.